Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to crop here in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Acrobat Pro, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To crop a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro, you just have to follow these simple steps. Number one is open the PDF file that you wanted to crop. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this document right here. All right. And you should be able to go to all tools right here. If you can find the crop option here, go to the edit. There should be an option here that says crop. See more. You see this modify page and click the crop page right here. Now, what will happen is, if you click the highlight tool here, you see that? You should be able to crop it. You see this? Press enter. You see that? Now, you can apply the margin controls to the crop box right here, or trim box, or art box, and a lot more. You have all of these sections for you to edit. You can set to 0, revert to selection. This is going to be the crop page size. All right. If you click on OK, you see what will happen is you would be able to crop this specific area to the document. Let me undo it by clicking this section right here. Undo for now. And again, we're going to use the crop page. For example, this. We're going to crop this one and press enter. All right. You would be forwarded again to the section. Now, you have an option to use the points, millimeters, centimeters, and inches. You also have the option to constrain the proportions or remove white margins. You see that? And is it going to be like, in terms of the page sizes, is it going to be for legal, tabloid, and a lot more? You can also put in the custom width. For example, it's going to be like 6 by 9 inches. Click on OK. But of course, you can do that. But for now, let's leave it as it is. And press enter. Right, so that's that. Basically, you can crop multiple pages at once by selecting them in the page thumbnails and before applying the crop tool. You can also do that here. For example, I'm going to click on edit. I'm going to click the crop factor here. Just wait for it. Now, I'm going to crop this and press enter. All right, and click on OK. What will happen is you would be able to crop this without any problem, right? See that? And from here, all I have to do is click the download button, share it to your client and to the team members that you're working. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.